Okay, so we got the cable free, and this is say one of our earlier replacements. You will have on your ace cell, the wires will look like this, but they're the same. And don't worry about the colors, it does not matter what color is plugged in here. We got this going up through here. And then we grip seal for keep the water from splashing into the equipment, but we just loosen that up. Pulling this through. And actually, I think when you get that kind of pulled through, there's this little rubber grommet that you have to get off to get it through the connector. And just be careful not to pull too hard that causes the connectors to come off. Okay, now we're ready to pull it all the way through. Okay.